Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Miro. So now that you're in your board and then you want to go ahead and add text. Now to choose the text, click the T on the left hand side and you can see that now it is selected. Now all you have to do is click on the blank board and it's going to now put a text section there that you can go ahead and start text. So that's a text field. So if I want to say welcome, for example, I can go ahead and type welcome and you can see right here now that I can switch the type of text. So I can click here and I can just switch this from text to shape. So if I want to do something like that, but we're focusing on text. Now you can change the font. So if you want to use different fonts, you can go ahead and you can select that and you can play around with the size as well. So you can make your text larger and you can move it around whenever you want, however you want. You can also resize the text by dragging it like this. And as you can see, the more you do that, it's going to basically change the size of the text right here. You can make the font style different if you want by put underline here, for example, or you can make it italic, or you can just make it bold, whatever it is, depending on the style of the text. Of course, you can go ahead and you can do that. You also can set the alignment of the text. So here you have centered, left and right align. You can also do a link and all those good stuff with the text. And so that's how you go ahead and add text within your board in Miro. That's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.